Yo, it's David down at Crosstown Chrysler in Edmonton, Alberta. And from the used car superstore is this 2018 Ford F-150 Lariat in Silver Ingot Metallic, powered by the 3.5 liter EcoBoost V6 Engine underneath the hood. This is a SuperCrew truck with the 5-foot box on the back, and what a beast of a truck this is. And it's absolutely stunning. Come to the front here, you'll notice the blacked out hood, looking very sharp. This has HID headlamps and high beams, LED turn signals, fog lights down below. The Ford badge has been made to match the color of the truck, and it looks very interesting. There's 2 tow hooks on the front bumper. This does have an engine block heater, a spot for a license plate in case you ever need to put a license plate on the front of this truck. Come to the side here. This Ford F-150 Lariat is running on 20-inch toxic aftermarket rims, and it has Comforter mud and snow tires. Look at these tires, they're absolutely monstrous. Nice badges on the side of this truck. Color matching door handles on the outside on all 4 doors. Both driver and passenger side door mirrors have built-in LED turn signal lights. They are color matching, and these are breakaway. And this does have blind spot radar. So if there's someone in your blind spot and you try to change lanes, there's a light right here that'll come on to warn you that someone is in your blind spot. And you have an extra clearance mirror right there. This does have passcode entry, so you can put in a code to get into the F-150. Boom, that is the proximity key fob, and I have it in my pocket. So when the key fob is near, you put your hand around either the driver or passenger side door handles, the truck will unlock. And you always press that button right there, that black one, to lock up the F-150 when you're done with it. This does have power running boards. They come out for you whenever a door is opened. Here's the driver's side door panel. There's storage down below, lots of it. A cup holder, storage area in the middle, nice leather padding right here. This has power mirrors, power windows, power locks, driver's seat presets. You can save up to 3 presets, and by the push of a button, the driver's seat will adjust to your preset settings. Driver's seat is fully power with lumbar support. This has power folding in mirrors, so by the push of a button right here, the mirrors will fold in right before your eyes. This is fantastic to have in case you need to park in a tight parking spot. And then when you pull out of that tight parking spot, you can just press this button again, and the mirrors will fold back to where they're supposed to be. Very cool. This does have a window lock right there, and beautiful styling touches on the doors. F-150 badge, directional air vent right here. Where the LED mirror turn signal lights are, there are also clearance lights which you can turn on and off, and I'll show you that soon. This has automatic headlamps, so you can set it and forget it. That'll turn on the fog lights, that'll turn on the box lights, and you have your dimmer buttons right there. This does have power adjustable pedals. You move the pedals closer or further away from your feet. This does have an electronic parking brake. This does have leather seats throughout, adjustable headrests on the front seats, and this has adjustable seatbelt height. So depending on how big or tall of a person you are, you can adjust the seatbelt height so you're most comfortable inside this Ford F-150. This does have a panoramic sunroof up top, and when it's open like it is right now, it lets in lots of fresh air and sunlight. There's nice leather padding in the middle here for arms to rest on. Open this up. There is a change holder right here, and you can easily pull this out like so. And there's a huge storage area down here. So much space. This is actually a power outlet too. So you have a power outlet in there. And this tray can easily go back in just like this. And there's 2 cup holders up top here for the back seat area. There's 2 more cup holders for the front here. There's a spot for some pens. There's a little storage compartment right here. Open this up. Lots of space in there for many different things. And there's 2 USB ports. And to close this up, just push it and it closes up like so. This does have an automatic transmission and LED interior lighting throughout and an auto dimming rear view mirror. There's a little storage pocket on the side of the middle console right there. And this does have a power adjustable steering wheel. So you can easily adjust the steering wheel and move forward, backwards, up, or down, like so. Let's go check out the back seat area. Storage down below with a cup holder, storage in the middle. Nice place for an arm, power window switch, great style. Handle here so your passengers can easily get inside this truck. Pocket on the back of the driver's seat. Down here, there is another power outlet. Heated seats in the back. There's 2 USB ports right here, and this is a 110 volt power outlet. There's directional air vents, which are easy to adjust to. Good view of the panoramic sunroof up here. The interior lighting here, which is LED. These are also reading lamps, so just push the buttons with your fingers and they'll come on. Push them again, they'll shut off. There's a fold down armrest right here with 2 more cup holders. Adjustable headrests in the back seats, and the seats flip up very easily just like this. And if you were to ask me, I would say this wiring right here is for a subwoofer. So I believe the previous owner had a subwoofer in here and took it out when he left. So maybe you could put a subwoofer there. Pull this handle right here. That allows you to put the seat right back down. And there's hooks you can hang up nice clothing. So if you're going to a nice event, your clothing doesn't get all wrinkled. This is where you put gasoline inside this F-150. It is an easy fuel, so it's capless. Grizzly trucks, yeah. This does have a power rear sliding window. The third brake lamp is LED, and that's right, you guessed it, all the brake lamps are LED. Beautiful F-150 badge stamped into the tailgate there. There's also an EcoBoost badge there, letting everybody know what engine that you have. These are parking sensors, those black dots. The spot for a trailer hitch down below here, with connections so you can hook up a trailer or power up any aftermarket devices using this F-150. There is a backup camera right here for you. There is an LED convenience light, the Ford badge there, which is now color matching. Put your hand underneath here, there's a button you can press, and the tailgate will come right down nice and slowly. All right, there is bedliner in the box, protecting the box. This does have a tonneau cover, so you can keep things secure and out of sight back here. There is LED convenience lighting. We can turn it on just by pressing this button here, and you have that on both sides. And turn it off, just press it again, and it does like a cool fade. I like that. Along with the third brake lamp, which is LED, there's also LED box lights up there as well. And let's say you want to step up into the box very easily. Well, there is a solution, and it's very easy. Just go down here, push this in, and then pull out this step. It goes down like that, and then there's a handle. So just grab this yellow thing, pull it up, push the handle up like this. It locks into place like that. Now, you can easily step up into the box and do work inside the F-150. You just put your hand here, and you can step up just like this. Nice. I absolutely love this. It's super easy. Here, check out that panoramic sunroof. And this is a locking tailgate. There is chrome around the exhaust tip, is looking very good. Check out the Toxic rims, looking excellent. The side is also very nice. Open up the door here, power running board. Storage down below with a cup holder, storage in the middle, power window switch, nice place to rest the arm, convenience handle right here, pocket on the back of the passenger seat. This side also flips up like so, and right here is a power inverter. Pull the handle here and it easily comes right back down. The back seat area is absolutely spacious. Front passenger side here, put your hand around the door handle like this. The F-150 will sense the fob is near and I'll unlock doors for you. You always press that black button right there to lock up the F-150 when you're done with it. Storage down below, cup holder, storage in the middle, power locks, power window switch, nice leather padding. Passenger seat is fully power with lumbar support too. F-150 badge, directional air vent right here. Beautiful stitching on the dashboard. Lower glove box here. Lots of space. And right here, there's a manual. There's a locking glove box as well, so you can lock it if you have important documents you want to keep in there. A nice ledge. More storage. Overall, the interior of the F-150 is very spacious. When it comes to safety, there's airbags built into the front seats. There's side curtain airbags, driver and passenger side airbags, and more. Lots of safety built into this F-150. And of course, a handle right here, so who's ever going to be sitting in the front passenger seat can easily lift themselves inside this truck. Let's hop inside and take a closer look right now. This is the proximity key fob. There's a nice Ford badge on the back. Piano black styling touch there too. This has an unlock button, a lock button, and a button that you can press twice and the tailgate will open. This has a panic button, and this has remote start, so press the lock button here, press this button twice, and that'll remote start the Ford F-150. Then you can hit the unlock button, hop inside here, or you put your hand around the door handle and it will unlock. You put the key fob right there in the middle. That's a great spot for it. All you gotta do is put your foot on the brake down below, go over the side here and press the push button, start button, and that'll get you past the remote start system. The tachometer, the speedometer, the large driver information center screen looks very good and very modern. And this truck only has 7,548 kilometers on it. Come on down to Crosstown and see if this is going to be your next truck. There's a nice Ford badge in the middle here with, of course, a horn. It's a very loud horn. Cruise control is right there. Bluetooth controls right here with voice recognition. Cancel. Using voice recognition, you can find points of interest using GPS navigation, and you have audio controls right here on the right, and using buttons on the left side of the steering wheel right here, we can go through the driver information center. Now this thing gives you so much information, it's amazing. You have a digital speedometer there. You have your trip 1 calculator, trip 2 calculator, fuel economy, fuel history, navigation, compass area, auto stop start area. You have engine information, tire pressures for all 4 tires, your gauge selection. You have towing information, towing status, and so much more. You have your power distribution area, and you have settings. You can only adjust settings when the vehicle is not moving and in park. This has blind spot radar, cross traffic alert, driver alert, rear park aid. Look at this, amazing. You got some extra gauges up there too, which is pretty nice to have, but I'm just gonna put that back on the main page here. All right, if you throw this F-150 into reverse, the backup camera appears on the touchscreen system here, giving you a great view of what's behind you. This does have a 360-degree view, and you can turn on and off the rear park aid sensors. You have different drive modes. Press this button here. You can choose between normal mode, tow/haul mode, snow/wet mode, eco mode, and sport mode. And you have your gear selection buttons right here. This has Pro Trailer Backup Assist. Yep, trailer brake controller. 4-wheel drive with 4WD auto. Dual climate control with the auto feature, which allows the F-150 to adjust your climate control for you. Heated and ventilated seats up front. These are the physical climate controls. There's a CD player right here. Physical audio controls. There's a 12-volt power outlet and a 110-volt power outlet right there. Directional air vents in the middle here, which you can easily adjust. This has hill descent assist. You can turn off the traction control. You have your hazards. You can look at the camera whenever you want. And this has the auto stop start feature, and you can easily turn it off just by pressing that button there. Up here are buttons for the Panoramic Sunroof. You can open and close it by using the buttons here. Put your sunglasses up here for easy access. There we go, closed it that time. I should mention that there are multiple camera views. There's a camera on the front of this truck. How neat is that? And this has GPS navigation, put in an address, so show you how to get to where you want to go. You have touchscreen climate controls right here. Bluetooth, make hands-free calls. Large map right here. App showing you everything that you have. Settings, so you can adjust the system and this truck and have it the way that you want it to be. It says Sirius XM radio. You don't have to worry about that. Having Sirius XM radio is great. And there's great sound quality through the speakers. Definitely rock out, have a good time inside this truck. It's the 2018 Ford F-150 Lariat in Silver Ingot Metallic, powered by the 3.5 liter EcoBoost V6 engine. Underneath the hood, has a panoramic sunroof, has a 5-foot box on the back, remote start, GPS navigation, leather seats, heated and ventilated seats, and so much more. Come to Crosstown and see if this is going to be your new rig. It's absolutely stunning and has some pretty sick rims on it and HID headlamps. I'm Man David, and I'll talk to you later. See ya.